Hello guys, welcome to PPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna go with another quick tutorial that's gonna show you how to hide likes and dislikes for your video. Here you can see right now for this video there is only one like. If you wanna hide your likes and dislikes, you can easily do it by following steps. Let's log into your YouTube channel, then go to manage videos. I'm gonna manage likes and dislikes for this first video. Let's click on the edit button. Scroll down, then here you're gonna see show more button. Let's click on it. Here at the bottom you can see how many viewers like and dislike this video. If you select this option, everyone can see how many likes and dislikes you have got for this video. For example, right now this option is selected. Let's go to the video. Here you can see there is one like. So let me make it let me deselect this option and then hit on save button. Then go to the video again, refresh the page. Let's see here, right now there is no likes and dislike. So no one won't be able to find how many likes and dislikes for this video. In this way you can easily hide your likes and dislikes for your video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see with another tutorial. Goodbye.